Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, an error occurred, error applying update to launcher with the error launcher binary signature verification failed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm gonna show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem has a very easy solution. So the only thing you need to do is you need to reinstall your Hytale. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your Hytale's launcher and then you're gonna click onto this settings button at the top left corner of the page, and once you click on it, you're gonna click onto uninstall and you're gonna uninstall the Hytale launcher along with the game. So just delete your game. After that, you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to re-download Hytale. So just get a fresh copy of the game and then download the game. Click download for Windows here, download and install it. And once you're done with the installation process, now when you try to launch the game, you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that problem anymore. So the ages guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.